We are at 5843 Woodlawn Avenue North. We were here to do a jetting, I want to say a couple of weeks, maybe to a month back. The last video, unfortunately, was not able to be read off of the USB, so we're just here doing a post-jetting video. Customer is on the shared line with the neighbor that is south of here. We were able to jet up to the shared portion and get out all the root extraction. Some of the outer layers that you see is in the shared portion, which the neighbor is doing his own sewer maintenance. But as far as our customer, we were able to extract all of the problematic roots, especially the ones that caused the backup, which you will see hairline roots on the way back, but no roots that are big enough to cause any type of backup. There's one. There's one. So we'll see a lot of remnants. There is a portion once we get back towards the beginning of the line where the pipe is starting to break at the top and the roots came through. Customer is aware. They said they would just want to opt into jetting annually or semi-annually. There's that pretty big break. Now we are right at backyard.